How to create a new Apple ID. In this video, I'm going to guide you in creating a new Apple ID right from your iPhone. This is perfect if you need additional Apple ID or just want to start fresh. So let's get started. So begin by opening settings. So tap on your name at the very top to view your Apple ID details. In here, you will see the email that connected to your current Apple ID. Then to create a new one, you will need a different email address. So have that ready. Now, open a web browser on your phone. You can either use Safari, Chrome, or whichever you like. And go to the appleid.apple.com. Then instead of signing in, look for the option that says Create your Apple ID. This is usually in the top menu. Then tap on that. So on the setup page, fill out your first and last names, country, birth date, and the new email you want to use. Then choose a secure password and confirm it. Then enter your phone number. Complete the CAPTCHA at the bottom and tap continue to move forward. So once your new Apple ID is ready, head back to the settings, then tap on your current Apple ID. Then choose sign out. Follow the prompts to sign out, then log back in using your new Apple ID details.